friends, this is Janine Pettit, founder of Girl Camper and editor-in-chief of Girl Camper magazine. Today we are talking about our RV water systems. So the water in our RV tanks is being used by us to brush our teeth, wash our dishes, take a shower, and we want to make sure that the water we are consuming in our camper is as safe as the water we are getting in our home. And Mark and Dawn are walking us through the steps involved in sanitizing your RV water system. Stay tuned to check it out.
Thanks, Janine. Possibly the most important step you can take concerning the RV water system is to periodically sanitize the system. Mark recommends sanitizing the RV water system every spring when you take the RV out of storage and anytime you notice stale water or an odor. What you need to do the job. Regular Clorox bleach. Make sure you use a Clorox household bleach product that sanitizes and disinfects. Some Clorox products do not sanitize and disinfect. Measuring cup. 1 gallon pitcher full of potable water, small funnel. Sanitize the RV water system. You can start by draining the water heater. Turn off any water source going to the RV. Open a hot water faucet to relieve any water pressure. Go to the outside compartment where the water heater is located. The drain plug or petcock is located at the bottom of the tank. Remove the plug and open the pressure relief valve on the top of the water heater to assist in draining. If you have a suburban water heater, remove the anode rod using a ratchet with an extension and a 1 1/16 socket to drain the water heater. Caution: never drain the water heater when it is hot or under pressure. If you have an on-demand water heater with a copper heat exchanger, it must be bypassed prior to sanitizing the water system. Consult your water heater owner's manual. Next, locate the low point water line drains. There will be one for the hot and one for the cold water lines. This is the lowest point in the water system. Open the drains and let the water drain out. Locate the drain for the freshwater holding tank and drain all the water from it. At this point, you can turn the water pump on for a few moments to help force any remaining water out of the system. Do not let the pump continue to run after the water stops draining. When the water is done draining, close all the drains you previously opened. What we have accomplished so far was to evacuate most of the water from the system. Now take a 1/4 cup of regular household bleach for every 15 gallons of water that your freshwater tank holds. Mix the bleach with water into a 1 gallon container and pour it into the freshwater holding tank. A small funnel is helpful. Fill the freshwater tank almost completely full of potable water. Turn the water pump on, open all the hot and cold faucets one at a time, and run the water until you smell the bleach at each faucet. Close the faucets. Let it sit in the water system for at least 12 hours. Drain the entire water system again and refill the fresh water tank with potable water. Open all the faucets and run the water until you no longer smell any bleach. It may be necessary to repeat this process again to eliminate all signs of bleach from the water system. I am convinced anybody can sanitize the water system on their RV. Just follow the steps we outlined here.
Thank you so much, Mark and Dawn. That looks like a really easy thing to do, and it does give me peace of mind to know the water I'm consuming, especially when I'm drinking my coffee with it, is fresh and good and safe to use. To learn more about how you can maintain your own RV, head over to www.rvonlinetraining.com, where Dawn and Mark have all kinds of great videos. Happy trails, everyone.